Oga Uche.
Who is that?
Me.
Who?
Me.
I'm Buffalo.
You are laughing.
Exactly.
Oga Uche. Oga Uche.
Any problem? I'm Buffalo. If I finish, I will come.
Oga Uche, I'm sick.
Oh, you are sick?
Yeah.
Oh, where is your husband?
My husband is not there.
Oh. Oh, sorry. Oh.
Oga Uche, I'm sick.
Okay, me too, I'm Buffalo.
I'm waiting for you. Or should I come?
Is that?
I should come.
No, I'm Buffalo and you want to come?
I'm sick.
Tell me if I finish, after I finish, I'll call you.
No, okay, I'm waiting for you.
Is that serious?
Yeah, I'm sick. Make I come.
No, I'll finish right now, I'm coming. Or you want to come?
Should I come?
You want to come?
Yeah.
No, I'm coming.
Okay. Oga Uche. Many come. Go where?
Stay here. What is your problem?
I'm sick and I want to sleep.
And go and sleep in your room inside.
It's hot. I want a AC room. My husband disconnects our AC.
Your husband disconnects the AC. Okay, you go.
Where?
Go inside. I'm coming. Go. Go now.
Let's go.
I'm following you. You don't want.
Let's go.
I did for your back. Go.
Okay, go.
Huh?
Go.
This guy, I don't know. What are you doing?
Told you I'm sleeping.
You are sleeping. I'm going to walk.
Come and sleep. Oga Uche, come and sleep.
I should do what?
Come and sleep.
I am going to walk, oh sister. I'm going to walk.
Oga Uche, come and sleep. Oh. Oga Uche. Oga Uche.
What is your problem? I'm going to walk now.
I'm sick, oh.
You are sick.
Come and sleep, okay?
Let me go and let me find some medicine for you.
No, medicine, no.
Let me find some medicine for you.
My sickness don't need medicine.
What you need now?
Sleeping.
Sleeping.
Come and sleep.
And you go inside and sleep your room now.
Hot day there. No AC.
This my AC too has spoiled. It's not coming. Only in a fan I'm using.
I'll open the window.
Let me go and open that window for you.
My window, you can't open it.
Why?
It clack.
Sister, please. Stood up. I'm going to make this stand there. Okay?
Oga Uche. Oga Uche. Oga Uche. Oga Uche. Oga Uche. What do you mean? Oga Uche. I'm sick.
Is that serious?
Yes. Oga Uche, please.
Hey, your head is too hot.
Yeah.
What is happening? Let me go and buy you the medicine. Let me go and buy you some medicine.
No, come and sleep. I beg. Sleep.
I bet you.
Yeah, if you sleep, I'll be okay.
If I'm sleeping, you'll be good. I'm going to walk now.
No. Don't go.
I cannot sleep because I'm going to walk. Let me find some medicine for you and then you'll be okay.
If you call your wife, I won't be okay. So sleep.
Let me call. Where is my phone? Let me call somebody too.
Who?
Huh?
Go to. Don't go anyone. No. No.
Why are you shaking like this? Why I'm going to work and then you are...
No. Uche, I'm sick. I'm sick.
Or maybe I should call your husband.
No. I will be more sick. Uche, please help me. Oh, sleep.
Me too, I cannot sleep because I make late. I cannot sleep.
Okay, Uche.
What is your problem?
Okay, Uche, please.
Oh, what poverty I have come across like this? What is happening to you? Why? Your stomach or your head or what?
I don't know. I'm really sick.
So what is exactly I have to do? Okay, let me hold you small, and let's go out, and I'll go and find you something too.
No.
Maybe
No.
you are.
No.
Why no? If I say that this, you say no. If I say this, you say no. What is wrong with you now? Huh? What type of sick are you sick in? And I first say this, you say no.
My sick, if you tell me something I don't like, my sick become worse. So
Okay.
tell me what I like.
Okay, sleep. Sleep.
And you sleep.
You say?
Sleep and sleep.
Okay, you want me to sleep?
Yeah, me sleep, you sleep.
Okay, sleep small. Sleep. Get a sleep. Let me sleep. Sleep.
No sleep.
No.
I'm not a baby. Sleep.
That you sleep
No,
small.
you
Sleep small.
Okay, Uche sleep. Uche sleep. Sleep.
I'm sleeping. So sleep.
Okay. Sleep well. Okay, Uche.
Jesus! By the blood of Jesus! Come on, get out! Are you come to touch me or are you come to rape me? You are watching my face like puppy. Come on, get out. Don't open that your mouth. If you open that your mouth, I will screen you alive. Okay, you will die. Come on, get out. Get out. So go. Get out. What is wrong with this? This girl wants to come on. Come on, go.
When it's so cry. So when it's so bad, say, me chawa dia bla unchiaka. Oh, mama can't for credit square friend say, I miss you, bra. Uja, go. So when you bema, you can't pass when it's say. I don't know why. Me mum na say me say my too low, be man can class in me. If you not crow, who me cry shame. You know my class on my side. Ah, next she say, me chawa dia which I free me soon.
See me for trouble. This guy is going to rape me. Hey! Hey, go!
Now your car is outside. He said, yeah, you left it there. Are you sure?
Exactly. I left my car behind.
Okay, open the door.
Huh?
It's not an edge. Or a gate and open the door.
I'm not there. I'm not. Why can I lie to you, honey? I'm not.
I said open the door. So, you're not at home, right? You're not at home. Cut the call. No, cut it. You do it. Uche, then how? I think we have to talk. Uche, we have to talk. meant no, Mr. Honey. Come. We have to talk. Fine, come, we have to talk.
Now I want to make this.
Now you want to what?
But
Uche, Michelle, what the enemy whom left and right?
No.
My brand 2 years relationship without touching. Don't be any say me here scar or the mammy. Me here be beyond the mammy. And now not dear na me page. I don't mean to make control. Meaning some fire or Domian own mommy. My baby had a catch on my power, shall miss Cyril. My baby a catch me. Cause
my problem is this. It's not how the way you are thinking. No, it's not how the way you are thinking. But you know, say I like you and I love you.
You like me, you love me, but you can't touch me. Oh. Some love and that like you know. As it is saying. Oh, power you can. Oh, fine. It's true. Say, like the American no, be on bed with your guy and whatever. No, I'm not sure. And I'm not sure so be done. But at least 2 good years relationship. But they can form me back up a cry. Now, most I'm yours.
Honey, the reason is sometimes.
I've been there. My family will be. My family will be. It is fine. Do you want me to cheat on you? Tell me.
It's not what you.
Relationship is not about money. What is it? Tell me. I have all years to listen. What is it?
Honey, you know something. It's not what you think.
It's not what I think, but what is it?
It's not what you think. It's not what you think. But
and when you're done, when me better. When you're done, when me better.
Honey, you know something.
I'm not going home.
You know something.
I will spend 3 days here or a week here.
I'm going out. One of my car has.
I don't care. I will go with you. From there, you will come back home.
Honey, please. You know something. Mike. Hey!
Come on.
Sorry.
Come.
Sorry.
Hey! Uche, what is going on?
No, wait. Let me explain. No. I will shout. Let me explain.
Uche.
Let me explain. Honey, you know something.
What is it?
Let me explain.
Explain what? Into your band. Come on. Let's see when name, Miss Shaw.
Okay. Honey, you know something. I want to tell you something.
Go on.
I like you and I love you. The way you are, I don't want anything to happen to the two of us. Do you understand me? The love I have for you is very strong, and the care I have for you is very strong.
Go on.
I don't want to make something to break your heart. You know something? You know, say, for the first time I see you, your beauty, your body, your face, the way your body look like, I just like it, I just love it, and I just care about your body. Your face make me I like you as the way I am now.
So, come, you like me, I like you, I love you.
Don't
come!
Hey!
Hey!
There's a neighbors. I don't want to shout too much.
Okay, so talk. So,
the reason is this. You see, I had the way you did for the first time I see you. Now I don't want anything to happen. And honey, please, don't be offended.
I have to.
Don't be offended. You know something?
I've been in a relationship for 2 years without kissing, touching, feeling the body. So, what do you want me to do? Tell me.
Honey, the whole scenario is this.
me?
I love you. I love you.
No, why?
The whole scenario is this. I have, I have, I have, I have, I have, I have, I have HIV.
No, do you think I'm a kid or what?
Oh yes, honey, I'm not joking. I have it, but the way I see you, for the first time I see you, you are not asking me for money. You are not asking anything. The way you love me, the way you care